Welcome to the learning train. Today we're learning about atom subtract. Hi there kids, today we are learning maths. Like this one. This is one happy face and another happy face is, you guessed it, because 1 and 1 is 2. Now it is for taking away time. Yay! Now what is 5 happy faces? Take away 3. Not happy faces. It is 2. Yay! We got it right. Thank you for helping with the learning train. Choo choo! Hi guys, Zana here. Thank you for watching this video about learning. There'll be more coming out, so thank you for watching. Bye!